U coach ki player bat kumju ki noyarap jong NorthEast United FC kila wan kiyo na Guwahati sinong ba Shillong kum shibenta jong ka program media day ha ka kanda trek nailur ha ka ba shipor ki player bat u coach kila yo banyak kilan mat ha ka madan JN Stadium Polo bat ru banyak shembat banyak kendu yala ki nongkyrshan ka kalam kabla jam sha ka jengpen kre banyak kun ya ka samo ya lek kai jong ka Indian Super League ni ka ISL ha ka ni ka jingwan u menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad ki sangma ulawan banyak shembat ya kendu kerpang hidalade ya ki player bat coach jong ka NorthEast United FC ha ka ba ula shemru ya la ka jong ka benta ban ai kubleshwa ya ka kenhun kabla ra ya ka nam kum kala do jong ka Durand Cup bat kit bok ru ya ki ban la ban ya lek kai bha ha ka sama ya lek kai jong ka ISL nalor kata u konrad ula pen paru ya ka jinglong ka bakalo ka sorkar jela kabla shim ya ka senja menyarap ban a shibenta jong ka jaka ya ka ne ka klub bakan wan bakan seng ya ka shlam a jihikai bat kermen bakan ni ka jingat lang kenang yai beteng bakan ya shakamat bat kalong ru ka seiso na ka benta ki sngi ki snam ki manwan ha ka ni ka jinga kendu kala dan ru ka jinga shandur ka bakar pang hakmat jong ki lai tali ki trophy jong ka Durand Cup u CEO jong ka ni ka club u mandar tamhani u balaya thu baha ka por ka jinga kun ya ka semi final jong ka Durand Cup kabala long haji in Stadium Polo ha ka ba ka NorthEast United FC klami madan banyak kun persya ya ka Shillong lajong bakala don ka jingwan jurip lang da ka kenhun ka badai jong ka Indian Super League ban kami ban pet shu ya ka jingwan kam ki bedang hap an penbiang kum shi benta ban la ha ka ban Wanrah ya ka tu ka ni ka jinga kun jong ka Indian Super League hang ni ha ka nong ba Shillong Day ha ka ni ka jingwan ki brio na ka ISL ba utam hani bala IT ru ya ka kai phat jingdan kam sha ka sorkar jila kum ka kam ka baya day pha signal sha satellite ka badan kam bha ya ka na marba ya ka ISL lapan ipat ba hadu shi spotlight po tali kiri nang ta ya ki jaka ba kerpang ban la ban pen yang ki kamera ka kamera ban bu ki tiar bat ki kor ki baya day ba ka jingpen ipat ba ni ka live telecast bat na lor kata dang don shu sa ki wei ki benta ki badon dan kam ban penbiang haji in stadium na dakwa ban urlong na jingwan ban yuk jat ka ISL haka ni ka nongba
are important and special, but somehow Durand, Cup is it's got a different branding to it and a different kind of a feel to it. So yeah, it's a legacy exactly. So winning the Durand Cup is really a great honor, I should say. And you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches. And so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it, and we're very happy that finally at least a team from NorthEast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I once again on behalf of our government and our state would like to congratulate all of you for this great second. Of course, we really look forward to the future, and football is I think you must have seen may not be on the right side at that particular day, but you must have seen the kind of passion that our youth have and our people have for football. So therefore, we really look forward to in the future to a lot of positive outcomes with ISL, and with of course the NorthEast United partnering with us in our state. And it's not just about the games, but it's about the larger impact that we will see, especially for people who love football, and especially for our youngsters who would like to see one day wearing that jersey, who would dream of wearing that jersey and playing with some of you, and and maybe representing the country also at the top level. So really, that's what we are looking at. It's a much bigger and larger picture for us, and we are very hopeful that with NorthEast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. We are also coming up with a lot of programs at the grassroots level for picking up talent at the young age and to promote them at the young age. So there's going to be a lot of things happening, and we look forward to partnership with all of you. So you're not just playing for NorthEast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state and the region. So that's what we want you to see yourself as. and I'm sure that with your participation, all of this will be achieved. So thank you once again, and I wish you all the very best. Okay.
I've been in Indian football for the past 25 years, and the kind of support that we are receiving from the government of Meghalaya is something which I've not seen anywhere in any other state in India. Apart from obviously Meghalaya Tourism being our partner, we are very happy that the Meghalaya government has given us 15 acres land on the outskirts of Shillong to develop our residential academy. So this is the second part apart from Meghalaya Tourism being our partner. With the grassroots football, there is something that we are working with the Department of Sports, Government of Meghalaya, where we are trying to reach out to different districts, different villages for further lower age groups like under 7s, under 9s, under 11s, under 13s. And obviously, the idea is also then to, with the help of the government, to see if we can host the Indian Super League matches in Shillong going forward.
Can you tell us more about the academy? When is it being launched? How long it will take?
So the land has just been allocated to us. We have been given the allotment letter by the government a month back. By maybe January, February, the land will be handed over to us because the land is not a plain land. It's a topographical land which needs to be flattened, so to say. And once that is done, which should be maybe in January of 2025 or February of 2025, and then obviously we will start the construction of the work, which will take maybe a year and a half to 2 years, and then obviously we'll be functional with the residential academy.